This is the bird club, right?
Yeah?
Oh, nice. I always see the sign for the meetup, but I usually miss it. This is cool, man. What got you into birds?
You don't get into birds. This isn't the community college you went to.
Okay. So is that a hawk?
What did you just say?
Is that not a hawk?
That's a northern harrier, you piece of shit. Fuck you.
Oh.
No. There's no oh. This is what you should do. Take this ladder and climb up that roof and jump off.
I mean...
The world would be a lot better off if you were dead.
Alright, man.
Fucking asshole. Oh, by the way, that's not a northern harrier. He was correct. That is a hawk. Oh, I mean, whatever. It doesn't even really matter what type of bird it is.
What was that? What was what? Never mind. You didn't hear that? Oh, yeah. I don't know what that is. Alright. Have you considered seeing what that is? Oh, so what is this? You're gonna lecture me? Here you go, lecturing me. Like, can you give me a second to breathe? Okay, can you give me 2 seconds, man? 2 seconds to just comprehend what's going on. Like, you're just going on and on and on. Just relax, okay? Relax. I'm sure it'll go away. Sorry. No, you're right. I'm gonna go see what that is. Whoa.